Let me go to classrooms. Ilan na po ang nagawang classroom ng DPWH for 2025? At ilan po yung projected na magagawa po ninyo for 2025?
Mr. Chairman, let me just get the information. For
Oh.
2025 po, ang ito ba no? Ang baba nito. So, for 2025 po, out of 1,700 na dapat gawin, 22 pa lang po ang completed at 882 po ang ongoing.
Okay, October na. Seka,
At meron pong 882 na not yet even started. So, it's a very deplorable rate of only 15.43%.
exactly. So, ito po kasi yung ano ito yung resulta ng mga issues ho natin with